That was the wrong turn. Hold off short of November 1, I call you back. Virgin 96 Hotel cross uniform 6, taxi via uniform Sierra, Sierra 11, position Kilo 6.
To Kilo 6 via uniform Sierra, Sierra 11, and to Kilo 6.
Tower, good thing is Emirates 3412 on ILS Yankee approach for runway 25 right.
Emirates 3412 Frankfurt Tower, wind 210 degrees 15 knots, gusting to 6 knots, 25 right, clear to land.
Clear to land Emirates 3412.
Agent 532 on Lima 10, request Alpha 31.
Agent 532 taxi position Alpha 18 via November 7.
November 7, gate Alpha 18, Agent 532.
KLM 24 Yankee, wind 210 degrees 15 knots, gusting to 6 knots, 18, clear takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 18, KLM 24 Yankee.
Good evening, Lufthansa Cinema, stand over this at position Echo with push down.
I call you back. Lufthansa 77 Zulu, wind 210 degrees 15 knots, gusting to 6 knots, 25 left, clear to land. Lufthansa 126, taxi straight Mike 30, hold short 25 center.
Taxi straight on Mike. Qatari 664, and can we expect off?
300, 100 above.
Taxi.
Washington 3 Hotel Zulu, taxi holding point runway 18 via Lima.
Taxi holding point runway 18 via Lima, Ocean 3 Hotel Zulu. Lufthansa 97 Tango, request taxi.
Lufthansa 97 Tango, runway 18 via November.
Runway 18 via November, Lufthansa
50. 40.
06 Papa Foxtrot, wind 210 degrees 15 knots, gusting 26 knots, runway 25 center, clear for takeoff.
6 Papa Foxtrot, clear to take off 25 center.
KLM 24 Yankee, identified connect Langen on 136, decimal 130.
136, 130, KLM 24 Yankee, good day.
Qatari 664, requesting our Alpha to
Auto brake off.